Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all, went into Dollar General. Y'all, I'm sorry to right now bringing bad news. There is not really anything that is on the shelf at the Dollar General stores, okay? They really don't have workers, managers. Nothing's on the shelves. So I'm thinking I'm still going to be doing the Dollar General during the week. But as far as 5 off of 25 Saturdays, it's going to be a little slim for me because I know the Dollar General stores near me, they don't have anything on the shelves. So I thought maybe, the Dollar General that I knew that had staff, their manager, this one right here, the one that I told y'all I go to every Saturday, the manager finally quit. And there's nothing on the shelves. So it looks like everybody is doing deals during the week now that you can do now, which I've already done that, doing that now. So I'm thinking right now, it's probably not going to be a every Saturday 5 off of 25 for me right now until the stores get stocked up in my areas, okay? So it might be every other Saturday or every time I can get out to. Hopefully there is stock, because going in here now trying to put things together is really, really sad. So today I'm bringing y'all this deal, which they did have this stuff on stock, but it was because I came here early, and I know if I had came here a little later, it would have been gone. Okay, let's get to this video. All right, so I don't know if I said to my subscribers, I want to thank you, my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing is the degree. The degree is $2. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to the degree. And I want to let everyone know that this is all digital, okay? All digital. The next thing is the Skin-to-Mint. The Skin-to-Mint, it is $6. There is a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Chic Classic. It is $4.50. There is a $3 digital that is attaching. Then you got the Colgate Max Fresh. It is $3. And there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Gain. I need me some liquids, so I had to get me some Gain, which is $3.95. And there is it $3? Yeah, no, I'm sorry, $4.95. And there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. And I wish I didn't get that, but I needed some liquid. I thought it was $3.95 instead of $4.95, but it's all good. The next thing is Starburst, okay? They have a digital coupon if you buy two. No, I think it's buy one, get one of them free, I believe. I just came across that with the Starburst because I think I seen one, I forgot whose video it is. I'm so sorry. She had posted it on the Starburst, and I just went and scanned it to see if these Starbursts did get it, because I think it's like a buy one get one free, I believe. So I got the Starburst drink mix, this cherry, the singles to go. And then I got these Starburst duals. These are $1 too. Both of them are $1, but you can get $1 off when you buy both of them, okay? And it's a digital coupon, and it's a Dollar General digital coupon, I believe so. Yeah, it's a Dollar General digital coupon, okay? The next thing is the Mucinex. This Mucinex sore throat soothing comfort, look like some cough drops. They are, let's see, how much are those? $3.50, and there is a $2 off digital coupon. Y'all, I know these are going to be, hopefully, because the Mucinex is good product. So I know these cough drops are going to be good too. It's good for sore throat. So I'm going to try them. Hopefully, I don't have any sore throat and I'm not sick, but I will be keeping those. All right, y'all. So after I put everything up there. She scanned everything. All my digitals came off. My subtotal was $6.95, which was not bad. $6.95. So let me show you my receipt. There go the Colgate, the Degree, the Skintimate, the Schick, the what is that? The Gain, the Mucinex, the Starburst. $6.95. Yes, $6.95. You know, everybody's taxes is different. And then we got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. All right, y'all. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.